Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today, as you have seen, that I will be using this UV resin clay again. So I was thinking that I did try using the Elmer's glue onto the fresh leaf, and then I used the UV resin onto the fresh leaf. So why not try my UV resin clay onto the leaf, and let's see if it works. So here I'm just taking a little bit of UV resin out of the container, UV resin clay. So I am really enjoying using this UV resin clay. It has so many possibilities. You can make so much out of it. So I have taken the amount out of the container, and up till now I have experimented with this clay. You can use this clay into the molds. You can use polymer clay cutters, and then I use embossing folders, and after that I sculpted flowers out of it. So there are so much you can do with this, and I plan on showing you more ideas. So I've split it into two parts. This is going to be the first one. So you can take whatever leaf you like. Make sure the leaf has a texture. So this is a wild leaf, and I picked it from the garden. So what I will be doing here is that there are two ways you can do that. Either you can, I'm just cleaning the back of the leaf here. So simply press the clay onto the leaf like this. So one thing more you can do is that you can take the texture out from the leaf, and then after that, if you have a leaf shape cutter, you can cut this. I will be going organic today, so I will be not using any cutters. So I have applied the UV clay onto the leaf here, and this will be going under the UV lamp. I'm just making sure the shape of the leaf is fine. So here it goes under the lamp. So you can use the other leaf also. I actually love the texture of this one, so I haven't used the other one. So after about 30 seconds, I'm removing the UV clay under the lamp, because I really don't know how this will behave under the UV lamp. So this is what I'm doing. So I can see that my leaf is not slightly a little bit not cured, so under cured at the moment. But I'm just experimenting and watching if it works. So for the other one, what I'll be doing is I will be taking the imprint, and I will be taking off this, and this is going to be acting as the clay. So here I'm just making the shape again the same way. And by the way, I'm using the same leaf, so you can make multiple leaves out of this one. So yeah, as I told you that I'm going to remove it from the leaf, and I have the texture onto the clay, and this is going under the UV light directly. So two ways I have showed you. One I did cure halfway, and the other is just going plain under UV light. So I will leave them to cure a little bit. So this is the one that I did made before. So it is almost done. So in this way, you can make different leaves. You can take oak leaves, you can use sage leaves, and again, if you I believe that nature has healing properties in it, and if you gather anything from the nature, it has something to offer you. So if you believe in that, it's really up to you. Otherwise, it's beautiful to look at also. So it's natural, it's organic. And after that, I will be using the chameleon mica powder. So these are the intense mica powders. You can use whatever color you like. So I will be applying this with the soft brush onto the leaf, and this clay takes the mica powders really well. You can do it into different shades. I'm just going with one on this one. And you can see here that how beautiful the chameleon powder has applied onto the leaf, and it's looking amazing already. So first one is done, and now I'm doing the second one, and it's again really up to you. I am selecting this color. So I will be applying it onto the leaf. And I can see the texture the clay has taken so well. It is looking so amazing. And after that, I will be putting both of the leaves under the UV lamp again, so that it cures well. So meanwhile, these are curing. I thought, why not try something else? I'm making earrings. So yeah, I'm using the same leaf. So yeah, as I explained, that you can use the same leaf, and you can just take the texture from whatever area you want. So I will be making the earrings. So I think I like the technique where I just remove it from the leaf already and just leave it under the lamp to cure. And I'm making the second one. And then it's going under the UV lamp. So these are halfway cured and I removed it under the from the UV lamp. So I will be painting them a little bit different. So in the center, I'm using a very light shade of green. So these are going to be a two shade earrings. And then on the outer side, I will be using this intense one, just giving it some dimensions. So while I was making that, you can add water drop effect from this leaves also, if a way like showing that the water is dropping from the leaves. So I might show that to you also someday, but I had the idea, so I know wanted to tell you, if you are making something unique, you can do that. So all the leaves are cured now, and I'm using a little bit of gilding glue onto the edges and some here and there. So you know that I use a gilding glue or gilding paste. After that, I leave it to dry and it gets transparent. So then later on you can apply the gold foil. So in this way, I will be doing this to both of these. So I did apply a little bit of gold foil onto the other two, and for this one, these two, I'm going to use these alcohol ink by Pinata, and it is the shade brass. So for the outer edges, I'm using it, and a little bit into the center. So this is how it's going to be. So one is done, and I will be doing this to the other one also. So all are done now, and it's time to do a top coat. For this, I will be using a UV resin by Lightwish, and it's going to be the UV resin that I will be applying on top of it, and after that it will be going under the UV lamp. And it's time to apply the jewelry findings. So I will be drilling the holes, and after that I will be putting the bills and then earrings hoops, and these are almost done. So you can make bracelets out of this also, and you can make different leaves and arrange them into a bracelet, or just using one as an accent. So this is the final look, and these are the earrings, how it looks like. I just really enjoyed making this project. It was so fun. You just need to pick some leaves from outside and then press the clay on it, and after that some chameleon powders or mica powders and a little bit of UV resin, and it's all done. Really fast and cute project, perfect for giving gifts, and also it didn't took so much time. So I hope you liked it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, so you can see a lot of these experiments that I do, and I hope you enjoy them. So take good care of yourself. Bye bye.